Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 14. This is Section 2.3, Problem 14. It says write the fraction in simplest form. And we have 375 over 1,000. Now those are fairly big numbers. And to make the reduction in one step is possible, but not worth the effort of doing the prime factorization of each number, canceling matching primes, and it could certainly be done. I can do it in a few steps quicker. So as I look at this, what's the biggest value I can think of that divides into both of them evenly? Since one ends in a 5 and the other ends in a 0, certainly 5 will work, and I can start with that. But I can see that 25 will divide into both evenly. 375 must be something times 25, and I know for sure 1,000 is. Now I might not know exactly how many times it goes in, but I'll see that it'll go in evenly. So off to the side, let me divide 25 divided into 375. Well, 25 won't go into 3, so I'll divide 25 into 37. It goes in one time, and then 37 minus 25 is 12. And then if I bring down the next digit, which is 5, I have 25 divides into 125 5 times. 5 times 25 is 125. So it does go in evenly. So the top, the 375, reduces to a 15. 15 times 25 is 375. Now let me do the same thing for 1,000. And if I reduce the numerator by 25, the denominator has to be reduced by the same amount, by 25 also. So 1,000 divided by 25. Well, 25 doesn't go into 1, 25 doesn't go into 10. 25 will go into 100 though. It'll go in 4 times. 4 times 25 is 100, and it goes in evenly when I subtract. It comes out to 0. I bring down the next digit, which is 0. Well, 25 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 25 is 0. It goes in evenly. I have a remainder of 0. So 25 times 40 is 1,000. So now I've reduced the numerator and the denominator by 25, and the result I get is 15 over 40. Now as I look at this, I see that I didn't pick the biggest possible value that I could. The 25 was good, it got the process started, but it doesn't finish it to the end. 15 and 40 are both divisible by 5 still. So 5 divides into 15 3 times, and 5 divides into 40 8 times. So the whole fraction in the end reduces down to 3/8 as its simplest form.